we'll guide you through how to make background black in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, double-click Adobe Lightroom on your PC to launch the application. Once Lightroom is open, import the photo you want to edit into the program. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, click the Masking tool to create a targeted adjustment for specific areas of the image. From the available masking options, select Background so Lightroom automatically detects and masks the background while keeping the main subject unaffected. After the background mask has been created, reduce the exposure slider to darken the selected background area. Lower the exposure gradually until the background becomes significantly darker while maintaining a natural transition around the subject. Next, reduce the shadows slider to remove remaining brightness from the darker areas of the background. Continue by reducing the black slider to deepen the darkest tones and create a richer black appearance. If needed, lower the white slider to reduce any remaining bright areas that may still be visible in the background. Adjust these lighting controls carefully until the background appears consistently dark without affecting the subject. After making the lighting adjustments, refine the mask around the subject if necessary. Add or remove masked areas to improve the edge selection and ensure the subject is separated cleanly from the background. Review the mask carefully and check that important subject details remain untouched while the background is fully covered by the adjustments. After you are satisfied with the appearance, save the editing changes to keep all adjustments applied to the photo.